way, nigga. Turn my way, nigga. Fucking all my way, nigga. Yeah. Biggest nigga. Step on niggas. Woo. I'm your first time getting a car. Another nigga bought it. My first time with a car. Nigga, you know.
What to do, YouTube? Today I'm doing a rainy day POV drive. Yeah, y'all, it's been raining for like the past week. I don't know why. Full disclaimer, in this video I'm not gonna do much talking. I'm gonna let the car speak for itself. Let me turn it on. Even though we in the rain, I got 4-wheel drive. So your boy just tried to say rain and I sounded like a little kid and said Wayne. About to get on the street now. If y'all want more POV drives like this, let me know. Rainy day in the Hawk. I don't know if Hawk's environments is rain, but if it is, I don't know. I ain't never had an animal class. Little tunnel pull in the rain. Do I hear that shift? Already on the highway, y'all. Car's 3 different colors. Got the broken tail light out. I ain't mad at it. I would do another tunnel pull, but it's kind of crowded. Car in the middle of the road. Welcome to Florida, man. Welcome to Florida. Feds is everywhere today. Let me know how y'all feel in the comments about rainy day drives. They be the best, to be honest. Just gotta be careful out here. We're on the highway now. Probably about to go downtown real quick, show y'all the city. PJs too. No cap. Calm day. I'm never gonna get tired of that sound. Tune on a track coming soon. Y'all stay tuned for that. I need to get headers. Ooh, y'all stay tuned for that. Y'all caught that? No pun intended? No? Okay. I'll show y'all the roof. I feel like the rain is gonna come down on me. Every time I see a truck, I feel like it's on some Final Destination shit. I'll be driving to pass it fast. I ain't gonna lie. Little roof view. The panoramic roof go crazy. Trying to hold still, y'all. The highway is definitely... Don't tell me there's traffic, bro. Cooked. No. Y'all homework on that Tampa I-4 exit. I don't know if y'all can tell right now, but that thing be a whole line to get on I-4. About to hop on the exit right now to hit downtown. Severe thunderstorm warning. Hell no. Gotta get on the exit. Car don't want to let me get in the damn lane. I always wonder why the SRT Jeeps get the SRT wheel, but the Trackhawks get the I mean, it's a little different, I guess, with the Trackhawk at the bottom. Let me know which one y'all think is cooler, the SRT one or this one. I'm gonna get a custom one soon though, but as far as those two. Y'all can see the city kind of got a view from right here. In track mode this whole time, my gas should be on. That's crazy, but it says thunderstorm on the screen. That's what I do for y'all in the thunderstorm. I'm out here going crazy with the content. I'm gonna do a little tunnel, another tunnel, little for y'all right here. Now we in the city. Every time I see a Grand Cherokee, bro, they all look the same. But they not the same, y'all. But it stopped kind of raining, so. But yeah, y'all, the roof goes crazy. I don't got a roof in the Cat or nothing, so it's kind of different. Because I usually get my cars with the stars, so I don't get nothing on the roof. But yeah, I'm gonna put the window on. Cool little building. More stuff over there. Oh, traffic is stopped in the middle of the street. That's always nice. I'm good though. Y'all ever been stuck in the middle of the street and the other lanes that are coming towards you has a green light? Yeah, y'all. Now that would put you in an uncomfortable position. Everybody honking at you. And yo, one time I went down a one-way and all the cars was coming at me and I didn't know what was going on. Traffic this way. How y'all feel about ambient lighting on the Trackhawk interiors? Do y'all think I should go that route or no? I don't know. I think it kind of looks cool, but I might do it. I've been thinking about it. Got the fast directing traffic. Hold on, y'all, I gotta lock in. heads out here, y'all, so. We gotta chill out. Got an arena right there. Ooh, it's gonna be a crazy little tunnel pool right here. Tunnel pools go crazy every time. There's another tunnel up there. Yeah, the city ain't nothing too special. I mean, they got some, as y'all can see the view right here. Put my window down for this one. There's a light in the tunnel. What in the world? Give y'all one more tunnel pool with the window down. Oh, that's an R32 in the tunnel. It's an R32 right there. Y'all like that tunnel pool? I had to run it back with the window down one time for y'all. It sounds crazy. And that R32 in there was cool too. I rarely see those around. Comment down in the comments if y'all like the R32 more than the R33 and R44. I mean R34. I think the 34 is like the one everybody likes, but I don't know. The 32 is definitely my second favorite. Y'all comment down what y'all think. But that's been a wrap on this video. I hope y'all liked it. And if y'all want more POVs like this, comment down below. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment again, and tell a friend to tell a friend.
You bought it this big.
Pull off in that cool. Nigga think I hit the booze, I'm headed to the booth. Getting loot, that's what I do. Might slide up on your bitch. Tell you I'm a smooth dude. These niggas telling lies, but baby, you know I'm the truth. Can't wait till I